Welcome to Foxtecc. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to disable Assistive Touch on your iPhone. Assistive Touch is a fantastic feature that offers an on-screen menu for shortcuts, making it easier to navigate without using the physical buttons. It's particularly useful for people with physical impairments, but if you don't need it, it can become quite annoying. Let's dive into the steps to disable it. First, let's briefly discuss what Assistive Touch does. Assistive Touch provides an on-screen menu that allows you to access various shortcuts and perform actions without using the physical buttons on your iPhone. This includes access to the home screen, notifications, and the control center. It's customizable, so you can set it up to perform actions that suit your needs. However, if you find that you no longer need Assistive Touch and it's just getting in your way, here's how to disable it. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in the Settings app, scroll down and tap on the Accessibility section. You can recognize it by the icon of a person on a blue background. Inside the Accessibility menu, look for the Touch section and tap on it. And this will take you to a new screen where you'll see the Assistive Touch option right at the top. Tap on Assistive Touch to enter its settings. At the top of this screen, you'll see a toggle switch to now enable or disable Assistive Touch. Simply tap the switch to turn it off. Once disabled, the Assistive Touch menu will disappear from your screen. Now, if you sometimes find Assistive Touch useful, but it often gets in the way, there's a way to make it less intrusive. You can lower the opacity when idle. This means that when you're not using Assistive Touch, it becomes less visible, blending into the background while still being available when you need it. You can find the setting within the Assistive Touch menu under Idle Opacity. Apart from this, there are other customization options you might want to explore. For example, you can change the functionality of the Assistive Touch button to suit your needs better. But if your main goal is to get rid of it entirely, toggling it off is the way to go. And there you have it. Disabling Assistive Touch on your iPhone is a straightforward process that can make your user experience more seamless if you don't need the extra help it provides. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Foxtecc for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, peace.